Hey everyone, so got some bad news. This rear wheel, 275 by 35 R21. This is the P0 from Pirelli's. Unfortunately, I just discovered something. There's a big nail lodged into the tire here. So it's only about 10,000 miles or so. So this still got another 20,000 miles, I would say. Maybe 20,000 miles. So we got to get this checked out. It's actually not on the side wall. So we're going to go to the tire shop tomorrow to see if they can patch this up or they need to replace this. But essentially, these runs for about $300 to $400 a piece, because it's a performance Pirelli tires, and unfortunately we didn't get insurance for this. So we'll see what they have to say. Hopefully they can patch it up. But how I figured this out was not because an alert on the display of the vehicle, but because when I was driving, I was hearing a click, click, click noise every few feet or so. So something to keep in mind, even though your tire pressure may show everything is normal, is because the nail is lodged into it and the air is slowly sleeping out, but not enough to indicate the tire pressure monitor that there's something wrong. It's nice to be able to know this by turning off everything in your car, especially since you have an EV. You can detect this pretty quickly. So once in a while, just turn off your radio, your sound system, and just sit quietly, drive your car with the window crack slightly while going 10, 15, 25 miles per hour, and just listen to see if you notice any of that constant clunk, because potentially you may have to replace a tire. We'll give you an update on this as we take it to the tire shop. Fortunately, it's not losing much air right now, so we're still able to drive this. But if we were to take this on the road trip, highly unrecommended. All right, so heading to the tire shop. Again, no announcement or alert from Tesla, even though the PSI has dropped about 4 or 5 on the rear left tire there. And again, no alert, no warning. Usually 2 or 3 PSI, it will announce low pressure. But anyways, we'll let you know how much it costs to either patch it or if they have to actually swap out for a new tire. So stay tuned. So now I made it to Tires of Americas, or America's Tire is the exact name. And we really enjoy going to America's Tire. We really have good experience with them. Or other Tesla vehicle have tire warranty, roadside warranty with them. I don't know the exact name, but it comes with a lifetime of tire patches as long as you're a customer with them, if you're not aware. So they will repair your tire for free, even if you don't have warranty or insurance on your current tire, as long as you are within the same household and you have the same account, etc., under your name, so forth. So since the puncture sits a few millimeters inside of the outer wall, I know when it hit close to the outer wall, they won't be able to repair it, or they will not repair it due to liability issue. So they will patch this up and it's free. They end up taking this wheel off as well as the tire itself from the rim. They didn't have to jack up the entire car. But what I like about America's Tire, when they patch up your tire, they actually do a full balance. So just like you would get a new tire, and they patch it from both sides. So they patch it and they apply the glue from the opposite end. And again, here's the zero charge. So highly recommend them. If you have a punctured tire, definitely check out America's Tire. In our case, we were fortunate enough to get it patched. It should be good until the lifetime of the tire itself. So even at a high rate of speed, so you don't have to worry about that. Anyways, thought I'd share this experience with y'all in case if you end up getting a puncture in your tire, it's not end of the world. Likely, you don't have to replace the tire if the puncture is within a few millimeters from the inner wall, from the outer wall, I mean. And if you have America's Tire account and you work with them in the past, they come with free patches as well as free rotation and balance. If you have a puncture, they will rebalance your tire for you and add weights wherever it's needed. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and comment below if you have any question. Catch you all next time.